This 2027 Entegra Coach Odyssey 29 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Casselberry, Florida, 32707 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Orlando. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, Slideout, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom. This 2027 Entegra Coach Odyssey 29 volts is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.